Now what I want to show you is how to start putting this together so that you can start doing some basic drafting and draw some floor plans and stuff like that. I'm just going to select everything out and filter, check none, just grab the walls, click on OK, delete that stuff out. So I'm going to draw some walls through here, and I'm hitting Escape. Let's just say this is my very basic floor plan. I could trim these walls together if I wanted to do that. Now, I might want to mirror this over itself, so I'm just going to select this object in here, and I could hit DM for Draw Mirror, that's the blue one, click to start the axis, click to end the axis. Now what I want to do is just draw another wall, WA for wall, and we're going to draw this wall here. And I want to mirror at this wall again, so I'm going to DM and click on the starting point and click on the base point. Now I want to mirror this wall over this wall, so I can now do MM, which is the shortcut for that. So select the object, click on that, MM, and I've mirrored it across that. I'm not quite sure what I'm drawing here, but I just want to show you how to start using these tools so that you can do your own drafting and be creative with it. So I'm going to click on Rotate so you can see. I'm going to grab the objects that I want, filter out the objects that I don't want, so I don't want the views, I just want the walls. Click on Rotate, and I'm going to set that rotation now maybe just 30 degrees, and maybe I'll trim these two things together as well. I just want to give you the basic idea of how you can start mucking around with this. Let's extend these walls. Let's say these walls get extended to that point. So I could use the Trim Extend Multiple Elements tool. One, two, three. So they're all getting extended. So you can start saying, all right, this is a corridor, so I'm going to offset this to 1500. Hit the Tab command. That's going to see those two separate points, so I want to trim these points in. Now I just want to one slice this. I'm just going to trim that in here and trim that in there. I might want to slice this. See how this is one continuous wall? I might want to break this into 2 points, so then I can use this slice tool to cut that wall. Now that's one part, that's another part. I can trim this into that, and that part remains open. Click Offset this. SL for slice. I might cut that wall as well. You can see that this is quickly becoming a floor plan, and you can start building this out and putting windows and doors into it.